In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up files and folders in OneDrive effectively and efficiently. This process will only take around 5 minutes, so let's get started. First and foremost, you need to ensure that you are logged into your OneDrive account. This is crucial because without being logged in, you won't have access to any of your files and therefore can't back them up. If you haven't logged into OneDrive yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, locate the OneDrive icon on your system tray or taskbar. This little cloud icon is usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to open the OneDrive menu. Keep in mind the system tray location may vary slightly depending on whether you're using a PC or Mac. After the OneDrive menu pops up, your next step is to click on the settings icon. It looks like a little gear or cog and is often found in the upper right corner of the OneDrive menu. Clicking on it will bring up a menu with several options. Next, click on the Settings option from that menu. This will direct you to a new window where you'll see different tabs at the top. Find the tab labelled Sync and Backup. Clicking on this will guide you to the area where you can manage what gets synced and backed up to OneDrive. Now that you're in the Sync and Backup section, look for the Manage Backup button and click on it. This is the control center for backing up your files, allowing you to choose exactly what you'd like OneDrive to keep safe. Within the Manage Backup window, you'll see available folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Tick the boxes next to the folders you wish to back up. Selecting these folders means that OneDrive will automatically copy any files added to these locations, keeping them safe and accessible from anywhere. Once you've made your selections, confirm by clicking the Save Changes button. This action tells OneDrive to start backing up the selected folders. You'll notice your files begin syncing, which might take a moment depending on how many files you opted to back up. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up OneDrive to automatically back up your important files and folders. This ensures that no matter what happens to your computer, your data is safely stored in the cloud. Remember, regular backups are crucial in safeguarding your personal information. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on backing up files and folders in OneDrive. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips, and as always, have a great day.